Assalamu alaikum, I am Salman Khan from Worldofitech. Visual Studio Code Live Server. How to auto refresh your browser with this simple extension. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editor out there. It's free, it has a clean interface, and it has countless extensions which make programming simpler and more fun. Well, this is possible if you configure a useful extension in Visual Studio Code called Live Server. In this video, we will explain the details of how it works and how to set up and configure a live server. Why should we use the live server extension? Normally, when you make a change in your code or write something new, you need to refresh the page manually to see the changes. In other words, if you make 100 changes in your code each day, you need to refresh the browser 100 times. The live server extension, however, automates this for you after installing it. An automated localhost will be able to run in your browser, which you can start with a single button. Once you make changes in your code or write something new, after saving it, the browser will auto-refresh itself. Then, at that point, you will be able to see the changes quickly and automatically. First, install VS Code. You can skip this part if you have already installed Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you want to watch our video about how to download and install Visual Studio Code, then you can watch link in the description below, or go to our Visual Studio Code playlist and watch our first video about that. After you've downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code, you are going to see the welcome screen. On the left side, you should see a couple of icons. One of them under the No Bugs icon is the Extensions button. Once you click on it, a search bar will appear. Just type in Live Server. You will see many options, so you can choose whichever one works for your system. We use Live Server by Redwick. So let's continue with that one in this example. Click on the Install button and it will install the extension. Create a new HTML page. To start the live server, make sure you at least have an HTML page created. To do that, click on the File button and type index.html. This is index.html. Now, after you created an HTML page and installed the extension, you should be able to see a Go Live icon right below in the blue field. If you don't see it, just restart Visual Studio Code, then it should be okay. Click on the Go Live button and the localhost assigned to a port number. This is about the live server extension, and I really hope that you have learned something from this video. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down, and also share your opinion about this video. What do you think about it? And if you think that this video will help some of your friends, then do share this video with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos like this. And if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new video updates. And feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in next video.